I'm about to go take a whole bunch of pictures. What's funny, I want to laugh too. My lip color. Gotcha. On my lips, I have MAC lip liner in the color Cork. Then I use Minty Cosmetics lipstick in the color Brand Nude. Like, you know, brand new, but instead Brand Nude. That's cute, right? I can't explain it. Hope you hear what I'm saying. I'm loving your vibe. Won't let you play the side. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this hairstyle. This is my first time doing this hairstyle, so I'm still new to it, but I think I did a pretty good job saying it was my first time. And also, this would, like, if I didn't have to record or anything, if it was like my second time doing it, I would say, because you know, I would know what I'm doing. Well, I would know more of what I'm doing. It would probably have taken me 10-15 minutes to do like the whole thing. It did not take that long. Like, this is such a quick hairstyle, the way that I did it. But I did watch a couple of tutorials and I kind of just mushed everybody's techniques into like a really simple way. This is some new edge control that I'm using too, so just use any edge control that you have that works good for you when you're doing this hairstyle, because this is a new. Ooh, did my boob just show? What else? Yeah, I hope y'all enjoy it, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and if you're not new to my channel, welcome back. This is the hair company that this hair is from. UNice hair. This is their Peruvian straight, y'all. I really do like this hair. Super soft, it didn't shed, it's true to length, and it's full. Because this is only one bundle. Ponytail is still like, I'm gonna lift my shorts up. Ponytail is still like, oh, actually it's longer than that. But I was about to say it's to my hips. The ponytail is actually longer than my hips. It's like, okay, yeah, I can't really, y'all see how long it is to go past my hips. But yeah, it's actually really long. 28 inches, this is hella long. But yeah, everybody else turned that I saw, they used like 2 bundles, so I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna be able to do this look. Like, they used like 2 bundles, like 2 whole bundles, and I was just like, I'm not gonna be able to do this look. Like, my ponytail's gonna be way too thin. But I actually like it. I feel like it's a pretty cool amount of hair. It's not too thin, not too thick, so I did good. My hair is straightened because I was going to do this tutorial like a couple days ago. I ended up not doing it, and so my hair is back like puffy at the roots. I'm just going to be straightening the front portion of my hair. My hair is dirty, y'all, kind of. Well, it's not dirty, but it's not super dirty, but it's not clean because I didn't just wash it. I'm just going to take the front portion right here and tie the rest of it back. And I know a lot of you guys asked about my natural hair and stuff. One person said that it was relaxed. That is not true at all. I think my hair is like 4A or 4B. I'll insert like a couple of pictures if I have some. I do keep my natural hair short. I have been getting cut like to this length, like straightened. It's cut to this length, so you know, like curly. It's like, I was loving a bob cut for a while, but this time I just let my hair grow out. I'm not gonna cut it again. Maybe. I don't really wear my natural hair out because I'm always wearing like wigs and things like that. But I don't have a problem with my natural hair whatsoever. Like, I love my natural hair. That's not the reason why I don't wear it a lot. It's just because like I do a lot of hair things and I'm switching my hair up. So yeah, I just like to keep it braided down, just keep it protected. I told y'all in my last video that I'm gonna do a like a hair video with my natural hair, maybe like a wash routine or just like a hair update, because I know a lot of you guys want to see my hair. If you're not used to using these, don't use this. Just get the plug up ones. I never use them, but I'm sure you could like adjust the temperature. This one, you cannot. But I just like to get this with my roots. I like to just really get my roots straight. Now that that's over with, I'm about to go ahead and I don't do the back because I can't see in the back, so I don't want to burn my neck, so I don't do the back. I'm gonna use this 24-hour edge tamer. What's this by? It's by Eben, New York, and it's the extreme firm hold, and it's the family size. So look. This is how it will look. This is my sister's, but I'm gonna be using it. I've never used it before, and she got it from our local beauty supply house. Oh my gosh, that smell. Beauty supply store. Beauty supply store. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's clear, by the way. That's how it looks inside. Okay, I think I'm putting too much. This is my baby hairs at the end, and I'm not putting a lot because I'm probably gonna add some more at the end on my baby hair, so I don't want to put too much. Yeah, I really hope this come out good. I have one bundle of hair. You shall see, okay? I could not grip my hair like how I be wanting to, but my arm hurt. I like to use these little scrunchies. I don't know how people use rubber bands on their hair. Like that really pulls out your hair. I don't know how people do it, but me, no. Okay, that's the tightest I'm doing my hair. I like having tight ponytails, but the way my headache's set up, I really can't do them that tight. So this is the tightest I'm gonna do it. However tight you do your ponytails, baby, do them. I'm gonna braid it. I didn't explain this part right here, but basically, you just wanna braid your hair in the direction that you want your ponytail to fall. So for me, as you guys can see, I braided my hair to the right because I wanted my ponytail to fall to the right. But if you want your ponytail to fall to the left, then braid your hair to the left. If you want it to fall to the back, then braid your hair to the back. So this part is basically however you do your baby hairs. This is how I do my baby hairs, and I did use the same edge control that I use for the rest of my hair, but yeah, just do your baby hairs how you want to do them. It's probably going to take a little time for you to really get them exactly how you want them, but you know, just keep playing with them, keep swooping and stuff. I got this brush from my local beauty supply house. It's just a duo brush. One side has a comb and the other side has a brush, so it's really convenient for baby hairs in case you like to use comb or you like to use brushes. But yeah, do this part however you like to do your baby hairs, girl. I tied my hair down, and now that's my real hair I just put out. But anyways, I'm gonna use like this little rubber band right here, and I'm gonna just put it at the end of this and create like a little loop. Okay, that's fine. So I'm gonna be using one bundle of hair, y'all, and like a little bit of another bundle, but this hair is from UNice, as I probably mentioned in the beginning. It's the hair right here. So I'm gonna start at the end, and I'm starting at the end that opens. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter which end you start at, but that's the end I'm gonna start at. And yeah, wish me luck. Look, I'm gonna just start at the end, and I'm gonna take a bobby pin. Yes, I'm taking a bobby pin. I don't want to use glue. I'm gonna just pin it into, I'm gonna stick this through the rubber band that I just put and just stick it up into the hair, into my hair, in my ponytail. Look at that. Amazing. No, I'm just kidding. Now I'm just gonna wrap it around. I'm just gonna start wrapping it around. Hopefully this come out good. And if it don't, we'll just try again. But yeah, I know for sure I didn't want to use glue because that was gonna be way too messy for me, and I wasn't about to deal with that. Actually, you know, I just thought about it. I just thought about something, but it's probably too late. I was thinking about putting like a rubber band, like right here, rubber band right here, rubber band right here. And that way it could be easier to like stick my bobby pins in there. I think that's what I'm gonna do, but damn, I can't do that now. I feel like I should stick another bobby pin up in here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's stick another bobby pin up in there, y'all. See that? I did it! Ah! I'm gonna take a little piece of hair like this big. You don't need that much big piece. Or maybe I should just bobby pin it. No, I'm gonna wrap it around here just to secure it. Just to secure it. Ooh, girl. I don't know how to stick this shit in. Oh, just stick it in there. Yeah, just stick it in there. This is one bundle, which I think is pretty cool. Braid it to whichever side you want it to fall. I wanted mine to fall this way. I'm gonna show you how much of a bundle I have left, but I'm gonna use it anyway. It's still a 28-inch though, so I'm gonna brush it out. Brush this out, and it's still from UNice Hair Company. So I'm brushing that out, and I'm gonna just wrap it around this part. I don't know, it's getting difficult with this scarf on, to be honest, but gotta have this scarf on, okay? But I really like this. This actually didn't take that long to do. It actually looked full too, to say there's only one bundle and like a little bit of another bundle. I thought I was gonna have to have like a whole bunch of, oh my gosh. I knew I did that. I knew I trapped the scarf up in there. I'm gonna put this around it. This is the little tag from this hair, and I'm gonna just cut it. I'm gonna cut it off of the tag, and I'm gonna take a fair amount, like this much, okay, because we want it to look cute. Let's see. Take out some. I'm gonna use some of the edge control to wrap this around, and I'm gonna use some freeze spray. Okay, yeah, we could definitely do that. I'm gonna put some edge control on here. I don't know if they did this in the tutorials, but oh well, this is my way. This is my tutorial. All right, I'm gonna start wrapping it around. Okay. This is the only piece of string I have, but we shall see. I'm so happy to be, I'm so thirsty. Yeah, I'm so thirsty to do this. Should I flat iron this or leave it like this? I'm gonna just flat iron. I don't really want to flat iron it. Yeah, this does not hold, y'all. I'm having to add more edge control to this, y'all. I'm actually gonna flat iron it.
I'll admit I'm sorry when I feel I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you.
So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. They sent me 4 bundles of 28-inch Peruvian straight and a frontal, which I use a frontal and then 2 full bundles and like most of a 3rd bundle up in the unit that I made. So yeah, if you guys want to see the unit I made, I'll link that video down below too. And I picked, what did I do in that video? Oh, I did the half up, half down. This is that hair from the half up, half down. Half up, half down hairstyle video. Yeah, just the leftovers. Bye. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all. Okay, I gotta chill.